Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Lexus, a 2012 Lexus IS 250. In this video I'm going to be showing everybody how to access the cabin air filter on this vehicle. It's going to be located on the passenger side, so let's go ahead and open this door over here on this side. It's going to be in the glove compartment. We want to just go ahead and pop this open. In here you have this little shelf system. The shelf system has two tabs that you pull up, then out. Then you have this plastic right here. Pull the middle, then lift up. And right in here you access your cabin air filter. Again, you just want to lift up and pull out gently, just as so. Once you have it out, at your local auto parts, you could ask them for, this one's pretty dirty. Ask them for the one that fits for this vehicle and just slide it back in. Another note that you want to keep, sometimes on the side there's a little arrow, so you put it in the right direction. All right, that's the end of this video. If you guys have any questions for this vehicle, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.